We have a 2006 Sprinter today. Looks to be in really nice shape. Little ding there. A little bit of the typical rust on the factory paint, which, pros and cons. It needs to be addressed, but it hasn't been screwed up yet by somebody else doing a terrible paint job on it. A little bit of the typical surface rust. A little dent there in the back. Electric locks, 2 fobs. Seat's got a little wear, floor's got a little wear. Pretty nice. Oh, we almost had a perfect score on the vents, but this one's not perfect. Just 259,000 miles. Front license plate holder has never had a plate on it. Good bit of the original anti-corrosive coating still on it. Plastic resonator. Everything is dry around it though, so it doesn't look like it's leaking. Wow, look at that. Rockers are rust-free. Floorboards rust-free. Underside of the van, pretty darn clean. Mostly dry and clean. Looks like the exhaust has been replaced at some point. Don't see how that label could possibly stay on there for 17 years, so shocks have apparently been replaced. Transmission is dry. Looks like we've got a little oil leak up front there. Getting all the way back here. Got a little of the typical oil leak on the passenger side of the engine here. Looks like probably a 150 amp alternator. So I see a couple of things I'd recommend right away. Bottom half of this vacuum pump is oily. Million Mile Sprinter has a seal kit for that. Fix that up. Plastic resonator. Join Florida Van Man's Patreon page and I'll send you a resonator, an aluminum resonator that'll last forever in there. Everything looks really clean. Air conditioning's on. Fan works. Oh yeah, air conditioning's cold. Air conditioner's blowing cold. Armrest could use some covers. I know where to get some of those. And I know a guy with a video shows you how to put them on. Even has links to where you can get them. Missing a couple of tabs here. Get some of those from many places. A lot of people print them with a 3D printer. I believe MMS sells them. A little bit of orange line there, but no roof rust that I can see. Just a little touch, just a little bit. Maybe a little dent here too. That could be popped back up. Bumper's a little bit deformed there, looks like because of the trailer hitch. Tires are 6 years old, but otherwise in good shape. Michelin's. A little bitty dent there, looks like from bad jacking at a shop at some point. They realized real quick that wasn't the way to do it and corrected. No engine light, no codes. A lot of them have rust under the windshield. Not this one. Clean all the way around the windshield. Power windows and locks. Mirrors. Towing mirrors. Cruise control. CD player. Trailer hitch. It's got it all. Price to sell at just $14,000 cash and drive it home. It is ready to drive with all the luxuries, power windows, cruise control, towing hitch so you can tow your car home if you drive out to get it or fly into Charlotte. This is a lovely 2006, almost 260,000 miles with a full file folder of maintenance records. It is the longest body and the tallest roof of the T1Ns. Gets around 20 to 22 miles per gallon if you drive softly, 18 if you're a madman. Room to stand up unless you're a giant over 6 feet tall. And it has the best seating option with armrests and lumbar supports. You can contact this seller and participate in the Sprinter community on the Facebook group Florida Van Man, the group.